the OBTV Live Weather Center. This is your Weather Almanac with meteorologist Sam Reichert.
Hello once again, I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your Weather Almanac, brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8, right across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. First, we're going to talk about a big event coming up on September the 13th in South Haven from 8 o'clock until 2 o'clock. It's the North Mississippi Hummingbird Festival at Hummingbird Park at Snowden Grove. And you can look at the speakers series, lots of exciting speakers talking about all kinds of subjects from butterflies to native plants and bees and beneficial insects. You don't want to miss this event. Let's don't miss this forecast. High today, 96 degrees with partly cloudy skies, a 30% chance for an afternoon thunderstorm. Heat index this afternoon, probably around 106 degrees. Low tonight, 76. Normal high this time of year, 92. Normal low, 73. The record high temperature in a very hot August of 2007, 106 degrees. In fact, we set 10 record highs during the month of August in 2007. Overnight lows, record 1963 was the year, 58 degrees. Sunrise today at 6:20, sets at 7:48. That means you have 1 minute and 55 seconds less daylight today compared to yesterday. Winds from the south at about 5 miles an hour, and some of you got rain yesterday, but I didn't. That gives us less than an inch for the month and a yearly total of 45.68 inches, which is still 6 to 7 inches above average for this time of year. I'm Sam Reichert. Thanks for watching.